Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we are comparing the extremes of European automotive engineering, the most affordable car versus the most expensive one. We'll be looking at their prices, manufacturing location, exterior dimensions, seating capacities and unique features. So stay with us till the end because this gets very interesting. And our first guest is the Dacia Sandero. This vehicle is manufactured in Romania by the Romanian car manufacturer Dacia, a subsidiary of Renault. Starting at approximately 8,000 euros is the most affordable car produced in Europe. The Sandero is a compact hatchback with an exterior length of 4 meters and 10 centimeters, a width of 1 meter and 73 centimeters and a height of 1 meter and 52 centimeters. It has a wheelbase of 2 meters and 60 centimeters, offering a comfortable ride within its compact dimensions. In contrast, we have the Bugatti Chiron, a hypercar produced in France by Bugatti Automobiles. With a base price of around 2.5 million euros, it represents the pinnacle of automotive luxury and performance. The Chiron measures 4.5 meters in length, 2 meters in width and 1.2 meters in height, with a wheelbase of 2.71 meters. Its larger dimensions accommodate a powerful engine and luxurious interior features. Comparing their sizes, the Dacia Sandero's compact dimension make it ideal for urban driving and easy parking. The Bugatti Chiron, while slightly larger, balances its size with aerodynamic efficiency and performance capabilities. Regarding the interior, the Dacia Sandero offers seating for 5 passengers with a functional and straightforward interior. The standard model includes cloth seats, manual air conditioning and basic infotainment features. The Bugatti Chiron, in contrast, is designed to seat 2 in unparalleled luxury. It features premium leather seats and dashboard, customizable interior options, advanced climate control and a state-of-art infotainment system. The focus here is on exclusivity and personalized comfort. And now let's speak about power. And the Dacia Sandero is powered by a range of small efficient engines, including a 1-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine that produces around 65 horsepower. It is designed for cost-effective commuting, with fuel efficiency and low running costs as key priorities. On the other side, the Bugatti Chiron is equipped with a 8-liter W16 quad turbocharged engine, generating an astonishing 1,479 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.4 seconds, with a top speed limited at 420 km per hour. The Chiron is engineered for unparalleled performance and speed. So if we'll calculate how much costs each horsepower, we'll get a cost of only 123 euros per horsepower on Dacia and an astonishing 1,690 euros for every horsepower on Bugatti, making it almost 14 times more expensive regarding the power cost. And now, as a final conclusion, we can clearly say that the Dacia Sandero and the Bugatti Chiron are two extremes of the European automotive world. The Sandero is a practical, affordable choice for everyday driving, perfect for those who like to save a penny. The Chiron, on the other hand, is a symbol of luxury and performance, ideal for those who prefer to make a statement with every turn of the wheel. Whether you prioritize cost efficiency or the ultimate driving experience, these cars showcase the diverse and thrilling offerings of the European automotive market. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.